Today, Sentinel Prophet AI tracked and activated a series of live crypto signals across multiple assets. Sol triggered a buy at $128.81, with confidence at 58.1%. RSI reading, 21.43 deep in oversold territory. ADA followed with a buy at 64.48 cents. Confidence surged to 83.5%. RSI was extremely low at 14.29, a classic setup for reversal. ETH signaled a rebound at $1,617.22. Confidence held at 58.9%, while RSI dropped to just 13.58, confirming exhaustion. INJ joined with a sideways buy at $8.25. Confidence was 50.8%. RSI was 33.33, a modest but calculated entry. SPAI doesn't react to emotion. She watches. She calculates. And she executes based on logic alone. These signals are tracked live, logged in real time, and published daily.